In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip contents to frame in Figma. This is a fundamental skill for creating clean and organized designs, allowing you to neatly contain elements within defined boundaries for a polished look. Let's dive right in and explore this essential feature step by step. To begin, the very first thing we need to do is add a frame to our canvas. Think of a frame in Figma as a primary container or a foundational layout area for your design elements, similar to an artboard in other design tools. To add one, you can select the Frame tool from the toolbar at the top of your Figma interface, or simply press F on your keyboard as a shortcut. Once selected, you can either click and drag on your canvas to define a custom size, or choose from one of the pre-defined frame presets available in the right-hand Properties panel, like a desktop, tablet, or mobile size. For this demonstration, any size will work, but creating a reasonably sized frame gives us ample space to see the clipping in action. This frame will act as the boundary for our content. Now that our frame is in place, the next crucial step is to ensure that the Clip Content option is enabled for this frame. With your newly created frame still selected, direct your attention to the right-hand Properties panel in Figma. This panel is where you control various attributes and settings for your selected elements. Scroll down a bit, and you should find a checkbox labeled Clip Content. It's usually located under the Frame section. It's incredibly important that this box is checked. When Clip Content is active, any design elements or objects that extend beyond the boundaries of your frame will automatically be hidden or clipped at the frame's edges. This means only the portion of the content that lies within the frame will be visible. If this option is left unchecked, all content, regardless of whether it extends past the frame's edges, will remain fully visible, which defeats the purpose of clipping. So, confirm that Clip Content has a check mark beside it before moving on. Finally, let's put our clipping to the test. With your frame still selected and Clip Content enabled, we'll now add an element that we can move around to observe the effect. Go to the Shape tools in your toolbar, select the Ellipse tool. You can also press O on your keyboard for a shortcut, and draw an ellipse, or a circle, partially inside and partially outside your frame. Now, as you drag this ellipse around, slowly moving it across the frame's boundaries, you'll immediately notice the magic of content clipping. The portion of the ellipse that is outside the frame will become invisible, appearing as if it's been cut off, while the part that's inside remains perfectly visible. This visual confirmation demonstrates exactly how Clip Content works to maintain clean edges and boundaries for your designs. It's a fantastic way to keep elements contained, create masked effects, or simply ensure your mock-ups look crisp and professional. And there you have it. That's how you effectively clip contents to a frame in Figma. Mastering this feature will significantly enhance your ability to create polished and well-structured designs. Thanks for watching.